Meaning of Howard Hughes.
Howard Hughes.
Howard Hughes.
Howard Hughes.
Howard Hughes. Howard Hughes was a famous American business magnate, investor, aviator, engineer, and filmmaker. He gained fame in the early 20th century for his work in aviation and film production, and later became a successful entrepreneur, investing in various industries including aviation, defense, and real estate. Despite his successes, Hughes was known for his troubled personal life and eccentric behavior. He passed away in 1976, leaving behind a legacy of innovation and entrepreneurship that continues to inspire people around the world.